go. That nigga love me, he can't never let me go. I bounce his ass on him, he love that on my hoe. Like them dreadheads that be hanging around the corner store. Told that nigga come and eat me, fuck me up, I want some more. Real hood bitch, I ain't nothing like them other hoes. Got these bitches mad cause a nigga look and took her, whoa. Huh? Fuck you saying? The way I shit this ass, I really took your man. Huh? The fuck you saying? The way I shake this ass, I really took your man.